Arabic family names. Like in Arabic, your dad's sister and dad's brother, their names are different to your mom's sister or brother. This is a mini family tree page. This is grandmother, which is Jaddatun, and grandfather is Jaddun. Mom's sister is called Khalatun. Mom's brother is called Khalun. This is mom, which is father Abun, and the father's brother is called Amun, and the sister is called Amatun. Ibnu is a son, Ibnatun is a daughter. Ailatu is family, but family which includes extended family, like the uncles, the grandparents, and the parents, of course, and the children. But there's another word for family in Arabic, which is usrati, which is like immediate family, mom and the children. That's what it is. That's what my Arabic speaking friend told me. So that's what it is. All right, thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.